Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Today let us see how to prepare ragi urad dal pancakes. This is such an amazing recipe, especially for those who are suffering from diabetes. You can serve them as breakfast or as evening snack or dinner. It will be so full that they don't have or they won't be having any cravings for rice or sweets other than this. Trust me, this is so simple. With simple ingredients that are available at your kitchen or in your kitchen, you can prepare this immediately. So let us see how to prepare. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of idli batter into it. Now idli batter for all of us, it will be available at home, and how I prepare is for 1 cup of urad dal I take 2 and a quarter cup of idli rava into this, and I soak urad dal an overnight and I blend it nicely, and then again I soak the idli rava for 1 hour, and then I squeeze that and mix with the urad dal batter, and again I let it set for an overnight and I'll allow that to ferment, and then I use that for idli. Now that same batter I have taken here to make ragi urad dal pancakes. Now here first I have taken 1 cup of idli batter and I added half a cup of ragi powder into this. Now after thoroughly mixing it, you can see that has become into thick consistency. Now again I have added another cup of idli batter into it. Now for 2 cups of idli batter, I have added half a cup of ragi powder into it. Ragi powder also I prepare it at home itself. First I soak or wash ragi nicely, and then I sun dry it for 2 to 3 days, and then I make it into a powder. I blend it into a powder. That's it. Now in this bowl add half a tablespoon of salt according to your taste, and then mix it nicely, and that's it. The pancake batter is all ready. Now take a pan and heat it, and then add 2 to 3 drops of oil, and then add 1 full scoop of batter into it. Now this is the scoop of a sambar, how we take it, that scoop or ladle, here it is. Now add that 1 full scoop of ragi urad dal batter into this, and then do not press it so that it will become flat like dosa. Now here we need pancakes, thick and circular in shape. So flip it nicely till you get light golden color. That's it. You can add how many pancakes you want like this according to your requirement. Now let me tell you, you have to serve this hot only. Once it is cold, you cannot eat it. So serve it hot only, and along with coconut chutney or peanut chutney or tomato chutney, it goes amazing. You can have it at least 3 at a stretch. It will be so full, and also it's rich in iron and it helps us to maintain our hemoglobin very nicely. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.